Hello students, in this video we are learning about slices. Slices are filtered table, means we create tables out of those tables that we already have in the backend. The AppSheet, what the AppSheet does, the AppSheet create virtual tables out of existing table based on a filter. Let me create a slice, and we go to the data section, and there we go to the slices, and we create a new slice. Let create a new slice, a table out of table on a filter and a filtered condition and some condition. Let's say let me call this filter let's say complete tasks, and we create this slice out of tasks table. And what is the filter condition, and what filter we create this and what formula, what are we filtering out of the tasks table? That for that we use this create custom expression, means create a custom filter condition. Let's say in the task table I want to pick all the complete tasks, and I want to make out of all the complete tasks, I want all the complete tasks in a new table, in a new slice. So how I will create this slice? Let me say task status. I need all those status, all the rows where task status is equal to complete. So this is our expression, our filter condition is fine. Okay, now let me create the slice. Let me create the sub table. So we have this sub table. Let me create a new slice. Let me call it let's say in progress tasks, and I want this slice out of tasks table. And what is the filter condition, and what condition I filtered the tasks table, where I need all the rows where task status column is equal to in progress. So yeah, the expression is fine. So we have formed two slices. You can see complete task and incomplete tasks. Let me rename it tasks. So we have complete task slice, incomplete task slice, and let create two views, two interfaces of complete task and in progress task. Let create two views for on top of these slices. Let create a new view and name it the same. Let me call it in progress. Now complete tasks, and I want to be I want this view on the top of complete tasks table slice. Sorry, you can see it is the sub tables come under the main table. The slices come under that table out of which we form it, we created it. So we need that complete task, and we don't want this view to be shown here, neither we want it to be shown here. So we don't need to be shown because we need both of them in a separate view. So How we can hide this? Through this reference. In position we have this reference option. By clicking that, it will be hidden. So let me create a new view for in progress task. In progress task. In progress tasks, and I want this view on the top of in progress task slice. So we have this view, and we want this to be hidden, not to be shown anywhere in the, because we need both of them in a new view. So let me form another view where we see both of them. So let's form a new view, a new interface. Let's say overview of task. Overview of task overview. Tasks overview. And I want it a dashboard. So actually now let's see what is dashboard. Dashboard are formed of other views. It is not, this interface is not built. We do not build it on the top of other tables, but we build the dashboard on the top of from other views, from other interfaces. It combines other interfaces. The dashboard view type is not based on tables, but it collects, it shows, it displays other entries. So let me add entries to them, to the dashboard view, this new view. And we want complete task view, and another view we want in progress view, and we want them in mobile view. We want a tab for it. So here we go. This is the table overview, and we have, you can see, we have this complete task and in progress task. Let me zoom. Let's say here you can see this is the new table task overview, and here we have all those tasks which are completed. These tasks are completed tasks. 1 2 3 tasks are completed, and this one task is in progress. This one task is in progress, while these tasks are the tasks which are completed. So this is how we play with the slices. This is how we need slices, so that we form the views. We filtered views. So this concept is also very useful. Thank you so much.